Welcome to our channel. Today we how to set up retirement contribution strategy with solo 401k step by step clearly. To set up a retirement contribution strategy with a solo 401k, start by understanding the basics of a solo 401k. This retirement plan is designed specifically for self-employed individuals and small business owners with no employees. Next, choose a financial institution that offers solo 401k plans. Research various providers to compare fees, investment options, and customer service. Once you've selected a provider, begin the application process by gathering necessary documents. You'll typically need your social security number, tax identification number, and your business formation documents. After completing the application, submit it to your chosen financial institution. Upon approval, you will receive a solo 401k account and plan documents to review. Read the plan documents carefully to understand the rules and contributions limits. Now it's time to determine your contribution strategy. As a self-employed individual, you can contribute both as an employee and as an employer. For 2023, you can contribute up to $22,500 as an employee. As an employer, you can contribute up to 25% of your net self-employment income. Combine these contributions to maximize your retirement savings. Consider setting up automatic contributions to simplify the process. Evaluate your cash flow and make adjustments to your contributions as needed. Keep track of contribution limits to avoid overcontribution penalties. Regularly review your investment options within the solo 401k to ensure they align with your. Make adjustments based on performance and changing market conditions. Stay informed about tax implications and deadlines related to solo 401k contributions. Finally, keep records of all contributions for tax reporting and future reference. By following these steps, you can create an effective retirement contribution strategy with a solo 401k. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.